Hi, I'm Eti and welcome to my channel, ETY'S. Every week I'm making a new video about my favorite recipe so you can learn how to make it too.
Today let's make some finger-licking fried chicken with spinach jalapeno pancakes.
Today we are making fish tacos. Let's make some chocolate mousse. Today let's make some fish carpaccio. So a little bit about me. I was born in the Congo. I grew up in France, in the Loire Valley. I've been living in New York for about 15 years. I'm a former line cook. I love cooking, been cooking all my life. Mushrooms are done, just add them into the bowl. And I'm just here to share my passion and love for cooking with you guys. I'll be cooking in different kitchens from Costa Rica to Brooklyn to Massachusetts and France, just for you.
So I'm on my way to a local butcher. I want to get that nice brisket.
If you want to follow me, please subscribe and hit the notification button and I'll see you soon.